How to stop sharing location on Android without anyone knowing. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can stop sharing location on Android without anyone knowing. So to stop sharing your location on an Android device without anyone knowing, you can follow this step. To turn off your location sharing while ensure it's not noticeable to others. First step is that you can turn off your location services. You have to open up your phone setting app here and find the location setting. You can scroll down and tap on the location if you find that. If you don't find that, you can go for the search bar and type the location here. So once you are on your location, you can toggle off the use location here. You can simply toggle it off. So this will disable the location service completely. And it's the most direct way to stop sharing your location, but some wa- but some app might still ask for the location access here. Also, you can disable location sharing in a specific apps too. If you are sharing your location through the specific apps like Google Maps, WhatsApp, or Facebook, you can stop location sharing within those apps. So, for an example, so if you have enabled the location permission on your Google Map, you have to long press on your Google Map and go for the eye icon. And once you are here, you can go for the app permission. And here you can see the location. You have to tap on the location and go for the deny option. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily deny your location permission. Also, if you want to deny the location permission of your WhatsApp, just go and long press on your WhatsApp and go for the eye icon. And again, go for the app permission and tap on your WhatsApp and go for the deny option. So this way you can completely stop sharing your location on your Android without anyone knowing. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.